Good morning, everybody. In today's session, we will see about the light from class 8th, or especially about the refraction of the light. We will see. Whenever the light is falls on any object, light undergo the different phenomena like reflection, transmission, and the scattering. All these phenomena are depends on the nature of the object. When our object is opaque, most of the light will absorb by that object. When the object have shiny surfaces, then most of the light will reflect. And when the object is transparent, then most of the light will pass through that object. That means the transmission of the light is takes place. So in today's session, we will see about the transmission of the light or the refraction of the light. When the light is passes from one medium to the another medium, light changes its direction, and such a phenomenon is called as a refraction. Now, try to understand the difference between the reflection and the refraction. In reflection, whenever the light is falls on the surface of the object, light bounces back. Here, the medium is only one. But in refraction, light is travel from one medium to the another medium. And whenever it enters into the another medium, it changes its direction. And such a phenomenon is called as a refraction of light. Look at the first picture. Here, I used the second medium is a glass slab. And the first medium is already the air. So whenever the light enters into the glass slab, some of the particles enters earlier rather than other particle, and due to that light changes its direction. Again, the main reason behind changing the direction of the light is that the speed of the light. The speed of the light in air is different than the speed of the light in the glass. Again, it is different than the speed of the light in the water, and so that light shows the refraction. In the second picture, look at this. Here, the ray AB is the incident ray. It is coming from the source of the light. And whatever the angle between the normal and the incident ray, it is nothing but our angle of incidence. When the light is come to the point or to the boundary of the two medium, light changes its direction. Light bends toward the normal. And here, our angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. Again, when light come out of this glass slab, again the medium is changed, and again light changes its direction. So in the diagram, AB is our incident ray, angle I is our angle of incidence, ray BC is our refracted ray, and angle R is our angle of refraction. The ray CD is our emergent ray. Now, look at this second picture, the ray AB. Actually, the path of the ray AB is I shown with the help of the dotted line. And after the displacement, that means after changing the direction, light changes its direction, and we will get the light in the CD rays or in the direction of the CD rays. So this is nothing but the change in direction. And such a phenomenon is called as a refraction of the light. In simple word, the refraction is nothing but simply bending of light when it passes from one medium to the other medium. Now, there are the three cases in the refraction. First of all, we will discuss about the first case. When the light is traveled from rarer medium to the denser medium. In rarer medium, like our air, the particles are away from each other. So that's why the speed of the light is greater. But when it passes from rarer to the denser, the speed of the light decreases. The speed will change, and due to changing in the speed, the direction of the light is also changed. In the water or or in the glass, the light rays bends toward the normal. So in our first case is that whenever the light is traveled from the rarer medium to the denser medium, the speed of the light decreases and light rays bends toward the normal. Go toward the second case. The second case is that when the light is passes from denser to rarer, denser medium like our water, like our glass. When it passes from denser to the rarer medium, again the light changes its direction because the speed of the light is also changed. In denser medium, speed is less. But whenever light enter into the rarer medium, the speed of the light will increase and light rays bends away from the normal. And what is the third case? Whenever our incident ray is perpendicular to the refracting surfaces or to the boundary of the two medium, or when the incident ray is parallel to the normal, then light rays does not show any change in the direction. Why this happen? Because here all the particles of the light enter into the second medium at the same time, and that's why they does not show any change in direction. Here the speed of the light changes, but the direction does not change. So what we can say as a conclusion, whenever the light passes from denser to rarer medium, the speed of the light increases and the light rays bends away from the normal. Go toward the second case. Whenever our light rays passes from rarer to the denser medium, the speed of the light decreases and light rays bends toward the normal. What are the laws of the refraction? We will see in the next video.